morning, folks, on a wonderful Thursday morning. Looking out the window over the tropical city of Colombo. And of course, there in a distance, you see a boat that has just left. This is one of the boats of the boat service that they started in Colombo. And with that in mind, as busy as you might be with Christmas just around the corner, remember to join me on the second edition of Old Ballad Thursday. Gonna be with you till 2 in the afternoon. But you got nothing to worry, because we have ballads right throughout the day till 12 midnight. So do keep it locked to Gold FM.